Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I am looking at a fabulous little 26mm Rolex Datejust. This watch has a lot of really interesting features to it. It has a two-tone oyster bracelet, an 18-karat yellow gold fluted bezel, and a white onyx dial. There's a lot of interesting components to this watch. The oyster bracelet definitely makes it very casual, and I think that the white dial really matches that kind of casual appearance. I think a white dial is very kind of an everyday piece. And I really like that this watch has very minimal numbers. It's only got the 9 and the 6 and then the date aperture at 3. And it's also got these sweet little diamonds that are set actually inside the 9 and the 6, which I really like. I think it's a really nice little touch that adds a lot to this very kind of simple watch. And I don't think a simple watch is a bad thing. I definitely think it's something that you can just put on and pair with a lot of different pieces, and it's not going to overwhelm any of your outfits or any of your other jewelry. It's a great choice for someone who has a lot of different types of jewelry and wants their watch to match with everything. It can match with gold pieces and silver pieces. And I just think that the white also really wakes up the watch and doesn't make it too dark or bring it too down. This watch is a really great find. It's a really cool piece, and I love this very simple dial. I think it's a really cool look. It's a really different look from Rolex, and it's something that I think a lot of people really like. This watch is available now, and it's available with all of our other Rolex ladies watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.